Unlocking the meanings behind road crew. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of the term road crew. It's a phrase you might come across in news reports, in conversations about construction, or even in discussions about music bands on tour. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a road crew is, the context in which this term is used, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, road crew, refers to a group of people who work on the maintenance, construction, or management of roads. This can include repairing potholes, laying down new pavement, putting up traffic signs, and more. Road crews are crucial for ensuring that our streets and highways are safe and navigable. But that's not the only meaning. In the entertainment industry, a road crew is the team of technicians and support staff who travel with a band or a theater group. They handle the setup and breakdown of equipment, manage the stage, and ensure that performances go smoothly. Road crews in construction are essential for infrastructure development and maintenance. Without them, the wear and tear on roads from weather and traffic would quickly make travel difficult and dangerous. They often work in challenging conditions to keep roads operational. In the context of entertainment, road crews are the unsung heroes behind the scenes. They often work long hours to set up lighting, sound equipment, and instruments, ensuring that the audience enjoys a flawless performance. Now that we know what a road crew does, let's see how to use this term in conversation. Here are some examples. The road crew was out all night fixing the highway after the storm. I always thank the road crew because without them, the concert wouldn't be possible. Sometimes, you might hear variations like roadwork crew or stage crew. These terms are more specific. Roadwork crew clearly refers to the construction aspect, while stage crew is specific to performance settings. I hope this video has helped clarify the term road crew for you. Whether it's making sure our travel is safe or our entertainment is spectacular, road crews play a vital role in our daily lives. Remember, language is not just about words but the people and stories behind them. Keep practicing, and you'll be navigating the English language like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.